Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. To say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I have to sign this very crucial, very important civil justice sign of closure for myself, so that I can get the rightful civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines in front of all nations, in front of entire human kingdom. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, United States of America is handcuffed mode for at fault, found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican, and mandated to be kneeled down in front of entire human kingdom and entire nations, for it is USA, it is the state of Wisconsin that created the COVID-19 plague worldwide, and civil justice must be served in the rightful way. So I will quickly run through this, read through this civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. Victims of abuse, patients, medical finance, aid, compensations claims process. In the year summer of 2019 to December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty Department of Tax. Okay, that's a typo for I just provided DHS. You just can ignore that, but it is a typo error. It should be the IRS. Okay. So it is the Department of Revenue Services, Tax or Treasury in state of Wisconsin, USA, for tax-free $500 billion, and that is why domestic violent prostitute, IRS, Treasury, Tax Agency of state of Wisconsin, USA, created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce brain infection in my brain nerves as of February 22, 2021. So crime count 1 is at fault IRS Treasury Tax Agency is the prostitute, is the COVID-19 plague, and failed in welfare services job. and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to wear the mask. And it is the deadliest crime of COVID-19 plague, IRS tax treasury of state of Wisconsin to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want Republica Prostitute, Department of Revenue Services, Treasury, Tax Agency of State of Wisconsin to pay tax-free $500 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and wild endangered species, domestic violent Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and faces of Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's trap, and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species for created COVID-19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction of burnt brain nerves of I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want wild endangered species, domestic violent, leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second. And damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman province Jesuits odds of USA in 50 states as of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay another separate tax-free $500,000 trillion multiplied with 10 states of Jesuits is 500 comma followed by 4 zeros. That much trillion dollars must be direct deposited to my bank account. So domestic violence types provided by the tax agency of USA that created COVID-19 comes under the classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and chattels and types. And I hope we are all in the same page, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, I should get the civil justice, I should get the job offer, I should get the rightful salary, I should get the rightful national benefits, right? In front of all nations only, in front of entire human kingdom only I should get. Because when you as a nation don't know what is justice, then I have to step in and explain what is justice, my way. Okay, according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.